Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, let's get it. Where are we going? Does anyone know? What's going on, YouTube? It's Josiah, and today we're going to be riding out with a couple of the homies, the homie in the Scat, and Aaliyah, and we got the new homie Bubba. He's on his new R7, 2023 R7. We're doing the first ride today. He's breaking it in, so let's see how it goes. They're not open. Oh, they are open. Yeah, and then Bubba's right here. Alright, let's get it. I'm hot as fuck. I want to go to the gas station. Alright, YouTube. We just got some lunch and got some gas. Now we're headed back to the crib. Let Diaz go in front of you guys. Diaz, go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Where's my squad at? Let's see it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, Diaz, let's see it. Oh, the squad. W. Yes, sir. That's correct. Alright, YouTube, we just got some pictures. Now we're on the way back. The open road! Oh. No, 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 no. What is the angle? It's right here. That's cute. This is where my video that has 200 views is at, right here. Alright, sick. Thanks.
Oh, yep. Alright, we'll see y'all later. Yep. Alright, YouTube. We just left the homie's house. Had a good ride, good morning ride. We're gonna go back to the crib. It is so hot. So hot. So we're just gonna cruise on back to the crib and call it a day. Got some chores to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you want to see more of the channel, hit that subscribe button and tap that bell. If you want to let me know something, let me know in the comments. And I'm going to see you guys next time. Remember, Jesus loves you. Peace.